Here's an overview and ringing of all 5 mechanical railroad crossing bells I have on my birthday. I'm going to be going from left to right, and some people's right to left. The left side, at least in my case, is going to be my oldest bells that I got, not necessarily age-wise, and going all the way to the most recent bells I got. First bell, my railroad supply co bell. This bell is the only one out of the 4 that does not work, and it is easily in the worst condition out of all 5. This bell, I bought it for like $200 off of eBay, which was like maybe overpaid a little bit, but these things are extremely rare. There's only probably about 3 to 5 in Ontario, so here's the inside. It's completely stripped out. I have all the pieces. Some of them are going back on the bell, while others, like the electromagnets and the original cloth wiring, are just garbage. Anyways, here's what the bell sounds like. The gong is in very good shape. Here's my second bell, a WCH second generation mechanical bell. I got this bell from a CN maintainer from Gage Avenue, downtown Hamilton, Ontario, off the CN Grimsby subdivision. This bell was, well, not sold to me, it was given to me completely for nothing in fully working order. It's like CN doesn't have any use for them, so I do, I guess. Just saving them. Anyways, here's the inside. Here's the instruction paper. Right there. I don't know if that's a date or whatever. If it is a date, then it was made in 2003, but this bell was installed on Gage Avenue 2009. See what it sounds like? This bell is my only power supply I can use hooked up to it at the moment, but I will be sharing it with my other bells for like the next hour. Here's my third bell, my Raco mechanical bell. This bell also came out of the Grimsby subdivision it was given to me by the same maintainer as the WCH SafeTran bell. This bell is a bit unique as it still has its 4-inch to 5-inch adapter. This bell was actually not working. I got it working. The only problem, just like with my SafeTran, was a contact issue. The inside, the instruction page on it. It's really dirty. It's probably the dirtiest bell. I'm not excluding the RS that I have, but it works fine. It sounds like I have both this and my SafeTran adjust a higher speed, as that's what I prefer. Here's my best, well, not best, my favorite bell of my entire collection. This is my 3rd generation Union Switch and Signal Model 15A teardrop bell. This bell was the one that I really wanted to get when I first started collecting, and I got this bell for $480 off of eBay. I managed to bargain like $500 off of it, and I was not paying $1,000 for this thing. This bell had a giant bird's nest crammed into it when I got it, and it's still kind of dirty, but it's still relatively clean considering its age. It's kind of backlit thing. I always liked how this thing had such a vastly different mechanism to the Raco and WCH bell. The 15E design is probably my favorite. Here's what it sounds like. Forgot to mention that this bell is working. It's really, really slow, but I don't care. I still got a teardrop. My 5th bell, my SafeTran 1st generation mechanical bell. This bell came from Gray Road Avenue. I don't really care. I forget the name at the moment, but it came from crossing just outside of Hamilton, also on the Grimsby subdivision. This bell was filled with a hornet's nest, and also with, like I mentioned, the same contact problem with the Raco bell, just making it click. But this bolt on the front, backlit's pretty sunny outside. This bolt was completely rusted on. It took so much force and a bit of WD-40 to get it off, but once it did, it just snapped off. Not snapped off, it didn't break, but whatever. Here's the inside of the bell. Here's the inside of the bell. Here's the instruction page. Again, this one is in extremely good condition, just like the other two. Here's what it sounds like. I quite like the sound of this one. It's probably my favorite sounding type of SafeTran bell you can find, the deeper pitch. And that's it for all 5. I'm gonna be reading them some of these at the same time now. Starting with my move this over to my Raco ball. So I'm gonna have to put my phone down from brief periods of time to get the. I'll learn eventually, but I need to learn to cut out footage, and I don't know how to yet. But I'll learn. I'll learn in dear time. And there it is hooked up. I'll first do it with my RRS bell. Now with my WCH bell. I already have a longer video up on the channel, so there's no point in doing that one for too long. Here's a combo I'm really looking forward to doing. My USNS teardrop and my Raco Raco bell. And put this down. Almost there. There. Goes up. Okay. That's probably my favorite combo I can do. Here's another one I've already done. I already have a longer video up, so there's no point in doing that one for too long. Here's my Raco bell up next. Finally, SafeTran bell. Okay, now it's time to wire up my SafeTran bell. It's getting a bit windy out here, so I better hurry up. Okay. This thing doesn't have any nuts on the place where I normally put the wires, so this one's normally always a bit difficult to wire up. It didn't take too long this time. Doesn't work. Sorry, I keep doing this. Jesus. There it goes. Okay, time for SafeTran and WCH. Here's another one I'm gonna quite like, I think. SafeTran and Raco. Older brother and younger brother. Finally, USS Teardrop and SafeTran. That's it for all the combos. I hope the people that do watch it enjoy it. Yeah, that's it.